Hi besties, just give me 3 minutes of your time. I'm gonna show you how you can easily make your own boho coils for your boho braids and also for your miracle knot braids just with your extension. All you have to do is to cut and prep your extension, smoothen it, then pick out little and use your rattle comb to smoothen it the more. Then go ahead to apply your hair cream to the extension. After that, the next thing you have to do is to get your flexi rods, place the extension at the center of the flexi rod, which is the center of the extension too. And then the next thing you're going to do for me is to start twisting and then rolling it on the flexi rods. You see the way I held one side of it so that it doesn't lose. That's how you're going to hold it. And then you are going to start twisting and then rolling it on the flexi rod. And you're going to be giving little space. You can see the little space that I'm giving. Yes, that's what you're going to be giving. I'm going to continue this till you get to the end of the extension. Then fold your flexi rod like this. This is to enable it not to lose, and then go ahead to do the same thing with this other side. How you can easily make your own coils for your boho braids, for your miracle knot braids, for anything you want to use your braid, your coily braid, your coils to do. Then when you repeat the same thing with the other side and you get to the end, you are going to fold the flexi rod. So you're going to do this multiple times. Okay, do enough, that will be okay for your braids. And then the next thing is for you to put it in a bowl and then add any hair conditioner of your choice and get your hot water to add on the coiled extensions. Make sure the hot water is soaked very well. Allow it to stay for some time and then air dry it, and the next thing you are going to do is to loosen it one after the other. After loosening, apply some hair mask to it. You can also use your oil sheen on it, and your coils, your boho coils is ready. You can use these coils for your boho braids. You can also use it for your miracle knot braids. I hope this video was helpful. Please besties, do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe as I have more tutorials coming your way. Thank you guys for watching besties, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next upload.